Good morning, baby Bella. Morning. Na 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 na. Say good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning.
She's pooping.
He's pooping. Let's poop. Say hi. Good morning, guys. Say hi. Ba. Daddy, good morning, Daddy. Shh. Cleaning here, guys, because the sagbot is growing fast. You see? See, guys, there is a big tomato here. This one, there's a lot of tomato here, guys. You see? I saying that maybe you can use. Saying no. You see, guys. So you see this one, no? Tomato. This even here, this don't use. Why? See, because this is the safety tank. Kaya pala tomato is mataba. And now he's hiding, guys. There. Let me pick my clothes here. My clothes. He's saying that I will not disturb him. Very good husband. Sumugon. Very good. You have a reward later. When I say reward, the smile is very big. Good job. What are you saying? Can you repeat, please? Bernard Oburi. Can you repeat? Guys, let's see here. Let's see. Nakalkag akong buhok. We're going to Daddy. Let's go to Daddy. Wala pa ko'y namsam dak na ko eh. Ano, Bella? Kalagag kay kong buhok, guys. Sakit kay akong kalawasan. Bakul pa brush. Bella, kapoy kaayo. Muragi bakbakan akong lawas. Init ka. Now, guys, it's very hot. And then later it will rain. Someone is calling. Darling, someone is calling. Why is like that? Don't cover always. Phone is spoiled. Let me pick this one. This.